Hi, hello, my friends. I am going to talk about regarding thinking in English. Friends, as I am interested, I have started English speaking. Um, when comes it about speak English, everyone used to say think in English, think in English. Um, it is suddenly possible. It is not suddenly possible. It will become possible future, but we need to we have to train our mindset to think in English. Gradually it will happen thinking in English. But in the at the beginning stage of speaking English, we cannot we cannot think everything in English because of since we born we have been talking through our mother tongue. That's why our our mindset is not able to think everything in English. But it will become possible to think in English. Depend on how we love about speaking English. How we are intense. How we are being intense in speaking English. According to our love of speaking English, it will become possible to think in English. But gradually, step by step, we can set our mindset to think everything in English. Friends, actually, I am being get away from English for 7 to 8 days because of recently I have started small shop. I I was being as I was being busy in opening new shop. I could not be consistent uh, in speaking English. Anyway, now I have restarted my English speaking. Friends, if you are interested in speaking English, do not give up your trying. If I am always saying, as I have realized, I would like to tell one thing. Um, if we give small interval in speaking English, it would become big interval in speaking English. Because as I could have realized about giving interval in speaking English, I am sharing with you. Friends, those who are interested in speaking English, you can mail me to have one session to speak English. Whether I busy or I am not busy, I have decided to be touch with English. So friends, if you are really interested, kindly send email to me. When I get time, I give reply. When I get time, I will have one session for speaking English with you. Thanks to all.